Hey there, ever wondered what keeps your milk fresh and juice tasty, even after sitting on the shelf for a while? Let's dive into the secrets of Tetra Pak cartons. Tetra Pak cartons are like superhero suits for your drinks. They're made of 6 special layers, each playing a crucial role in keeping your beverage safe and delicious. First up, we have polyethylene. This plastic layer is the first line of defense, protecting against moisture and providing a surface for printing those colorful labels. Next is paper. This makes up a whopping 80% of the carton. It gives the carton its strength and stiffness, ensuring it stands tall and doesn't collapse. Then another layer of polyethylene ensures everything sticks together and allows for easy folding. Now meet aluminum foil. This thin layer acts as a superhero shield, keeping out air, light and off flavors. It's only 5% of the carton, but does a massive job in preserving the taste and quality of your drink. Following that, another layer of polyethylene helps with adhesion and folds. Finally, the last layer is again polyethylene. It seals in the liquid and keeps the outside world at bay, ensuring your drink remains fresh and safe. So the next time you enjoy your favorite milk or juice, remember the 6 layers of protection working hard to keep it fresh and tasty. Tetra Pak. It's not just a carton, it's a marvel of engineering. If you found this interesting, hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing insights. Thanks for watching.